Managing hotel operations can be complex, with multiple teams, shifts, and guest requests to coordinate every day. If your property is still relying on paper logs or scattered communication tools, it might be time to consider a better solution. In this video, we will walk you through the 10 best hotel operations software tools for 2025. Tools designed to simplify communication, improve task management, and boost overall efficiency. To create this guide, we surveyed 1,935 hoteliers across 75 countries to find out which platforms deliver real results. These tools help teams stay connected in real time, track and complete tasks efficiently, respond to guests' needs promptly, improving satisfaction scores. The software on this list covers a range of features like real-time alerts, multi-language support, and detailed reporting to monitor performance. Pricing varies, starting as low as $1 per room per month for smaller properties, with premium options available for larger hotels and resorts. Wondering if these tools are worth it? The key is in tracking the right metrics. Look at task completion rates, response times, and guest feedback scores to measure the impact on your operations. For 2025, the trends are focused on mobile-first platforms, automation, and seamless integration with tools like PMS and CRM systems. Whether you're managing a boutique property or large resort, there is a solution on this list that fits your needs. Now, let's explore the options to help you make an informed decision. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with the latest hotel tech trends and solutions. When it comes to hotel operations software, remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Each property has its own unique challenges, so testing multiple vendors is essential, even if you think you know what you need. At Hotel Tech Report, we've analyzed feedback from over 60,000 verified hotel tech buyers to bring you reliable insights. And to make your search even easier, check out our free software recommendation tool. In just seconds, you'll get a personalized shortlist tailored to your property size, budget, and needs. Find the link in the description below. So, kicking off our list is UniFocus, a powerhouse in workforce optimization, offering all-in-one platform that streamlines scheduling, labor forecasting, and staff task management. Designed for larger properties like luxury hotels and resorts with over 200 rooms, it's an essential tool for maintaining peak operational efficiency. Its intuitive interface and seamless PMS integrations help hoteliers align labor resources with guest demand while keeping operational costs in check. UniFocus also automates budgeting, forecasting, and scheduling processes, helping properties save time while improving accuracy. Furthermore, tasks are assigned to staff intelligently and in real time, ensuring smoother workflows and prompt responses to operational needs. With an HT score of 74 and a 4.2 out of 5-star rating from users, it's praised for real-time task assignment, clear communication between departments, and robust reporting features. Whether optimizing housekeeping or managing complex schedules, UniFocus delivers measurable results, especially for properties seeking precision in operations. Next up is HotelKit. HotelKit is the go-to software for streamlining communication and operations in hotels with over 75 rooms, including luxury properties, city center hotels, and branded chains. Its core strength lies in promoting collaborations across departments, offering features like real-time task tracking, automated workflows, and centralized updates accessible on any device. This platform boasts a stellar 4.7 out of 5-star rating from over 583 reviews, with users applauding its ease and use of ROI. Hotel managers praise its ability to simplify recurring tasks, boost productivity, and maintain operational consistency. Paperless room assignments make housekeeping schedules more efficient, while an overview of work progress lets teams monitor in real time to ensure accountability and timely completions. Notable features include digital checklists for housekeeping, repair order management, and guest service coordination, all designed to reduce paperwork and miscommunication. Experts highlight HotelKit's seamless system integration and efficiency in managing large teams. However, some users suggest the interface could be faster during peak usage. If your property ranges from 75 to over 200 rooms, HotelKit is ideal for driving smoother workflows, better guest experiences, and improved staff collaboration. Actable has built a strong reputation as a leader in scheduling and labor management. It's particularly popular among branded hotels, luxury hotels, and resorts, catering to properties of all sizes, including large hotels with over 200 rooms. Hoteliers appreciate Actable's ability to automate labor planning with real-time insights, allowing managers to reduce overtime and optimize staff utilization. Dynamic templates and smart schedules help tailor workforce plans to specific needs, while benchmark-driven productivity standards provide clear performance goals. It scores an impressive 4.8 across 465 reviews with standout marks for ROI and customer support. What makes Actable unique is its integration with payroll and PMS systems, which allows for synchronization of critical data. Users praise its ability to create labor schedules that cut costs and improve operations. Additionally, managers can track labor costs and profitability in real time, ensuring financial goals are consistently met. While some mention the need for quicker data updates, the overall feedback highlights Actable as a reliable platform for any hotel looking to elevate workforce management. Next, we have FlexKeeping. FlexKeeping is a robust operations platform designed to optimize communication and task management in hotels. Known for its intuitive interface, this platform simplifies daily workflows, automates room assignments, and manages housekeeping tasks while integrating with major PMS platforms. Features like real-time updates and tracking allow managers to monitor task progress and room statuses effortlessly, while amenities management ensures inventory is always in check. FlexKeeping boasts an impressive 5 out of 5 rating so far from over 21 reviews, with hoteliers praising its ability to improve team efficiency and reduce operational costs. It's especially popular with large properties like luxury resorts of over 200 rooms and branded hotels of 75 and up to 199 rooms, where smooth coordination and real-time updates are critical. Users highlight the platform's automated scheduling and detailed reporting as game changers, while some note minor lags and updates during peak usage. So, what is it best for? FlexKeeping is ideal for properties that prioritize swift room turnovers, maintenance tracking, and seamless team collaboration. If your hotel needs a reliable, user-friendly tool to keep operations on track, FlexKeeping delivers exceptional results. All right, halfway through the list. Seen anything that caught your eye yet? If not, stay tuned because the next tools offer unique solutions for guest satisfaction and team collaboration. So, let's continue. Logistics is a hotel operations software that combines simplicity and efficiency to enhance team collaboration and task management. Trusted by top brands like Marriott, Hilton, and Hyatt, Logistics helps properties manage everything from preventative maintenance to daily task checklists and work orders. The platform's mobile app for iOS and Android keeps teams connected on the go, while its preventative maintenance features reduce cost repairs by addressing issues before they escalate. Additional tools like photo verification and automated ticket creation keep operations efficient and error-free. Rated 4.9 out of 5 stars by 128 reviews, hoteliers praise Logistics for its ease of use and excellent customer support. Users highlight its ability to reduce manual errors, improve staff accountability, and make training processes more efficient. Some, however, noted a desire for better third-party integrations to further optimize their workflows. Logistics is ideal for branded hotels, city center properties, and extended stay locations with over 110 rooms looking to optimize their operations with real-time updates and robust communication tools. If efficiency and guest satisfaction are your priorities, Logistics is a strong contender. Amadeus Hot SOS has long been a leader in hotel operations software, known for its advanced maintenance and housekeeping tools. It ensures no task is overlooked. By prioritizing staff well-being and engagement, Hot SOS fosters a more proactive and motivated team, while its performance measures tools by prioritizing staff well-being and engagement. Hot SOS fosters a more productive and motivated team, while its performance measurement tools provide clear metrics to track operational success. Luxury properties and large-scale resorts often choose Hot SOS with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating from 31 reviews. Users appreciate its robust reporting and predictive maintenance features, which save time and prevent costly repairs. What makes it unique? Its ability to integrate with guest profiles, providing personalized services at every touchpoint. While some hoteliers mention a steeper learning curve, the payoff in the operational efficiency is well worth it for properties with complex needs. Looking for a game changer in hotel operations? Meet Sabre Nuvola, an innovative guest service optimization platform. Nuvola excels in intuitive request management, real-time updates, and multi-device accessibility, all designed to streamline daily operations while boosting guest satisfaction. With a 4.6-star rating from 39 reviews, it's ranked highly across categories like booking engines and staff collaboration tools. Nuvola is recommended by 86% of luxury hotels, 85% of boutiques, and 90% of resorts with varying sizes, including properties with over 200 rooms. Hoteliers love its ease of use, system reliability, and reporting tools, which provide actionable insights to improve efficiency. However, some users noted room for improvement with integrations and advanced reporting capabilities. Still, its ability to centralize communication and improve guest experiences has made it indispensable for many. For a solution that simplifies hotel management while elevating service quality, Sabre Nuvola delivers. Last but not least, Opti Housekeeping is a leading solution designed to simplify and elevate hotel operations trusted by properties worldwide. Ideal for large hotels with 75 to 199 rooms and extra-large properties with 200 or more rooms, Opti excels at managing complex operations. It's also versatile enough for smaller and boutique hotels. Its real-time visibility feature improves daily operations by facilitating smooth room assignments, progress tracking, and efficient staff management. With tools like a weekly scheduling system and the ability to include custom notes for tasks, it ensures every aspect of housekeeping runs like clockwork. Opti is known for creating paperless workflows, boosting productivity, and reducing inefficiencies, making it invaluable for housekeeping teams. Opti's global research is strongest in Oceania, particularly in Australia and New Zealand, with growing popularity in North America and Europe. With a 4.8-star rating, it's recommended for its ease of use, excellent customer support, and quick implementation. For hoteliers aiming to modernize operations, Opti offers competitive pricing and the tools to elevate guest satisfaction and team efficiency. That's a wrap for today's video. We've explored some fantastic vendors, each offering unique solutions to help streamline your operations and enhance your guest experience. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more expert insights and top vendor recommendations. And hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.